Hello everyone and welcome to my day in the life as a 4th year medical student vlog. If you are new here, my name is Hazal and I'm a UK based medical student. I run this channel with my best friend Liddy and we use it to document our lives to becoming doctors whilst sharing some student tips along the way. So I'm currently on the obstetrics and gynecology ward, which is all about women's health and pregnancy. The time is currently, I don't know if you can see that, but the time is currently 10:46 and I have actually already been in the hospital today. I started off my morning with a consultant led teaching session which ran from about 8 to 10:30 a.m. So we have one of these consultant-led teaching sessions every week and we go through different things in every session. So sometimes we have sessions with simulated patients or with mannequins where we went through stuff like childbirth. Other sessions are Q&A style, so the consultant will teach us topics that we're interested in and then we can ask them any questions we have. Guys, we managed to go through like 15 topics in 2.5 hours, so honestly it was so useful. But yeah, I find these sessions really useful because it's not really a lecture where it's formal and you can't ask any questions, but it's more informal, like a small group teaching session and you can ask any questions you have. But anyway, I woke up so late this morning so I didn't even have time to vlog or have breakfast. I'm going to go back into the hospital because I'm going to try and see a C-section today. Literally so cool. Guys, we just came out of the theatres and that was literally such a cool experience. Like, I need to like take that in and then explain it to you guys. Let's go home and then I'll tell you guys how the C-section went. So guys, I'm now back from the hospital and that was literally so cool. Like, it was just an incredible experience. When I went back into the hospital, I went into the delivery suite, which is essentially where everyone who's in labour is. Like, this is where they're gonna deliver. That was literally the worst explanation. Just as I got in, there was an elective C-section going on, which is a pre-planned C-section. I asked the patient and the doctor if I could observe this and they were okay with it, so I was able to go into the C-section. So there I was at the side of the theatre room, just watching as the doctor was like cutting through the layers of the abdomen, and it's just so cool to be able to see anatomy in that way. Like, I was just looking at the baby like, this baby is so adorable and it's literally just been born. Like, I just saw a baby come into the world. Like, I saw it take its first breath. I don't know, it was just amazing. I felt so privileged and so honoured to be able to be in a room where it's such a special moment for the parents and I was able to witness that. I feel like as a medical student, yeah, it's hard, but we get so many incredible opportunities that many other people won't be able to see, and it is really cool. But yeah, then I changed my scrubs, of course, these are a clean set, and yeah, I came home. Today's a Wednesday, so we actually have the afternoon off for extracurricular activities and sports and all that jazz. So what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna have some lunch because I'm hungry once again, and then we'll see what I get up to. So guys, I've put on my gym clothes and I've actually decided that I'm gonna have a quick snack, go to the gym, come back, and then I'll have my lunch because that makes more sense to me. It looks like there's a little mark on the camera. That's better. Let's eat this. And I also have this. And yeah, where's Liddy? She is. Morning. How's your day been so far?
It's been good, it's been good. Now that Hazal has finally allowed me to feature in this vlog.
No, literally, you just kept running away from this vlog. But anyway, let's go to the gym. We're now back from the gym. How was it? I would say it was like a 7 out of 10 workout.
I don't rate my workout.
We're gonna film a TikTok that Liddy's been begging me to film.
I've been wanting to do this TikTok for weeks, for
literally months.
I'm gonna be dressing up. Let me get dressed and we can start putting on the makeup. Okay guys, I got the scrubs on and now we're gonna do the face makeup. We're gonna put on the surgical cap, we're gonna put on the lab coat, and we're gonna do this 10-second TikTok. This is all for a 10-second video.
So we got the sideburns. I don't understand. I don't understand how it ended up here. The final look. Guys, I just want to introduce you to my new friend. This is one of our consultants at the hospital. She's got me involved in her shenanigans. Guys, I don't know about you, but I feel like we look like really good doctors. Okay guys, so I'm now out of the shower. I'm going to have some lunch and I'm going to be eating this, like, what is this called? Like spaghetti meatballs and pasta? Just meatballs and pasta. Guys, I know it doesn't look the most appetizing, but I promise you it tastes really good. Don't worry guys, I don't eat bad food. This food tastes good. We've come to Essex University to visit some friends and also do some studying in like a public library they have, and this university is just so pretty. Like, I'm jealous. Yeah, I'm happy at Barts, I am, but this uni is like so pretty. Guys, look how cute she looks with her glasses. Guys, it's like probably an hour later and I'm not being funny, it's really cold in that library, so I'm going back to Liddy's car to grab my jacket because I'm literally freezing. Okay, so I'm in Liddy's car. This is a bit annoying, isn't it? There we go. Gonna put on my jacket because it's literally freezing outside, but whilst I'm here I thought I'll tell you guys what I'm actually doing, because you guys will see me studying but you don't know what I'm doing, and I don't really want to talk in the library because everyone's doing work and I don't want to, I'm out of breath. I don't want to distract them. So as I said at the start of this vlog, I'm on the obs and gynae ward, and so on PassMed I'm doing the obs and gynae related questions. There's about 800, I think 800-ish questions, and I've got through some of them. I probably should have been through more by now, but that's okay because I've got a plan to finish all of them by the time I finish this module. So I need to do about 75, 80, 85 questions a day, and to be fair, you can't really rely on PassMed alone to do your studying. I also use the lectures we were given and the handbook we have, which is essentially like kind of a list of topics we need to know for obs and gynae. Obviously I'm a tiny bit behind, just a tiny bit behind, so currently I'm trying to catch up on my PassMed questions and then I'll do all the rest later. So yeah, let me put this on and get going. Guys, we just came out of the library and honestly I'm like tired, but I feel so accomplished. Like, this is the first time since summer, I think, where I've done like a good amount of work and the working session went well as well. How did you find it? Who is she? But yeah, now we're gonna go grab some sushi and I'm so excited. Okay guys, so we're now back from the sushi place and it's so dark that I need to use this lamp as lighting because the natural lighting in my room is so good, obviously during the day, but as soon as that sun disappears, the lights in this room do nothing, so I need to use external lighting. But anyway, I'm waffling now. But anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. We're home now. I'm gonna get dressed and go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you want to see more of my life at medical school as a 4th year medical student, make sure to check out this playlist of med school vlogs. Let me move my arm. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in a new video next time. Bye.